Technology is fast advancing. Many novel tech advancements that we see now are in fact the brainchildren of masterminds in information technology. Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, once said, "The advance of technology is based on making it fit in so that you don't really even notice it." So it's a part of everyday life. Thanks to the amazing and innovative fields like data science, we get to enjoy work and life in the best possible ways. There is the magic of data science application in almost every important domain. Information technology or software development is one big domain that has merited profusely with the introduction of AI and ML. Do you hail from a software background and aim to upgrade your flair by learning data science? Are you enthusiastic about machine learning algorithm and advanced AI and the way in which they dominate the IT sector? Then this video is tailor-made for you. We will help you walk wearing the shoes to trade paths. To know why and how to upgrade into data science, come, let's take a walk. Having an IT or software development background gives you the biggest advantage when transiting into a data science career. Merging software and data science skill set helps writing effective SQL queries, easier building and deployment of model pipelines, and effective data cleaning with data science plus software skills. Why? Because you already have the necessary knowledge in programming and databases. So what you can start off with is actually brushing up the existing skills that you have. Leveraging your software development means polishing your coding and testing skills, revising your knowledge on data structures and algorithms, and enhancing your skill set in database architecture and designs. While it can include all the above, and you can certainly center your efforts toward all of them equally, you should not miss out on soft skills. For instance, communication skills plays a key because if you are aiming to be a part of data professional, you should have a grip of effectively conveying the data insights to stakeholders. That said, you can work on communication and data visualization skills too. What more should you learn? You can start working on mathematics and statistics. Besides, make use of your precious time to learn ML algorithms and techniques. You should also be studying more about building data pipelines and get equipped with big data and Hadoop. Research more on data science tools such as Python, Jupyter, BigML, SQL consoles, and RStudio. Now that you know the answer of what question, let's get into answering why question. Why upgrade into data science? A simple Google search on the same can give you endless answers convincing why data science is the new hype. For sure, it is the advanced field of study that is going to be there and flourish. Today, tomorrow, and in the future, major tech firms like VMware, Pax8, Stack Overflow, and Samsara have made use of data science in their IT work environment. These names are just few to state. The career prospect that awaits you after skilling up in data science are going to be plenty. You can work in the roles of a data architect, data engineer, software data analyst, or a database administrator. So, where do you get the right training to advance and make a career switch into data science? While online training materials and tutorials can give you a rough idea of what to pursue and how to go forward, it is going to be vague unless you get proper guidance. So confused as in what to pursue? An online data science course from a right training platform can be of rescue. If you are aiming for personalized attention in live interactive classes with expert supervision, you have a place to come to. Skillslash. We offer separate data science courses distinctively curated for professionals and novices. These affordable courses have a curriculum focusing industry experience because we believe nothing can surpass the merit of industrial exposure and experience. There are 15 plus real-time projects in AI and ML that we offer and that which you get to complete with project assistance. Besides, to add feather to the cap, you will also get the opportunity to receive direct company certification for these projects. That is, shareable project certification directly from top AI startups. In addition, you will also get free career counseling and domain training for functional and industry specialization. Simply put, we guide you from A to Z until we make sure that you land up in your dream data science professional role. Time is on the run, so take time by the forelock and start your data science training today.